Hello everyone, this is Jay, and in today's video I wanted to quickly review what am I gonna buy tomorrow. I wanted to take a look at my portfolio to see what is in red, which is almost everything, and the main one that I really wanted to take a look at was SCHD, which is down at the moment. But before we start the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and here we start. All right, so one of the things I also wanted to announce was that McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD, and I'm sure everyone knows about McDonald's. I'm sure all you guys know about McDonald's. There's some McDonald's everywhere here in the United States. So McDonald's raises dividend by almost 10% to $1.67 a share. So now they declare that they will be paying $1.67 a share every quarter. This is a 9.9% dividend increase from prior dividend of $1.52. So that's a forward yield of 2.61%. This new dividend is going to be payable on December 15. The ex-dividend date is November 30th. So if you want to enjoy this nice dividend increase, you want to own it the day before November 30th. That's the day that you definitely want to own McDonald's. So if we go back to my portfolio, as you guys know, SCHD is my biggest position at 22.9% of my portfolio, and I definitely want to continue to grow it to like 30 and maybe even 40%. As you guys see here in my spreadsheet where I keep how many shares I own, and how much money I have invested into each stock. This is very transparent. I'm just being very transparent. I'm not exaggerating numbers. So here it is. SCHD closed today at $69.21, and my cost per share is $73.06. So I definitely want to continue to DCA into SCHD. As some of you know, I deposit every Friday, and every Friday I put at least $25 into SCHD. So I always put $25 to $30. But tomorrow, as I've said in the video I recorded last night, I am gonna be depositing some more than $100. I'm hoping I can deposit like around 180. I'll do my budget tomorrow morning. And then I'm gonna do my weekly buys tomorrow as soon as the market opens, and then I should be posting a video showing what I exactly bought on Sunday morning, most likely. If I can post it on Saturday night, I'll try, but I'll be working this weekend, so I'll probably post it on Sunday morning. So going back to my portfolio, I finally own 25 shares of SCHD. My next goal is 50 shares. But for any of you that don't know actually what the SCHD ETF is, I actually went into their website, and I wanted to read a couple of things for you guys, just for anyone that doesn't know about SCHD and wants to look into it and maybe even add it to their portfolio. Some people do like ETFs, some people don't, which is definitely understandable. I do want to build SCHD as the core of my portfolio. This is gonna be my foundation. So right now, SCHD is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Ticker symbol, of course, SCHD. And the objective is the fund's goal is to track as closely as possible before fees and expenses the total return of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. Okay, and the total expense ratio for this fund is 0.060%. So out of every $10,000 that you have invested into this ETF, you'll get charged $6 only. So which is definitely very, very cheap. This is a straightforward, low-cost fund offering potential tax efficiency since they pretty much don't own any REITs. So The fund can serve as part of the core or complement in a diversified portfolio. In my portfolio, is definitely the core, and that's how I wanted to make it. So, and it tracks an index focused on the quality and sustainability of dividends. And you can continue if you go into the Charles Schwab website. You can definitely look and see all the information about SCHD. As you guys can see here in the day, it went as low as $68.89. I definitely would have liked, or would like, if tomorrow when I deposit, it goes down to even $68. So we will see how much I'm gonna be able to pick up tomorrow. I'm gonna do my budget in the morning and see how much I'm gonna be depositing into my taxable account, because I also have a Roth IRA, so I'll be depositing in there, and I'll be buying some SCHD in there also. I have a couple holdings. I mainly have ETFs in my Roth IRA. They are set it and forget it. I'll probably do a video maybe next week or in a couple weeks. I'll probably do a video on my Roth IRA holdings. So as you guys see here, the total holdings are 105. This is passively managed, and the distribution yield as of August 31st, it says right here, 3.49%. I'm going to take a look at Seeking Alpha. They have a more updated one in a second. So as you guys see, the top 10 holdings are Amgen at 4.47%. They usually don't hold more or over 5% of any single stock. So that's one of the rules that they have. The second position is AbbVie, ABBV, Chevron, and Pfizer, which is one of my holdings, PFE. PepsiCo is definitely one that I would love to own, but I think I am okay with just owning it in SCHD right now. Merck, ticker symbol MRK, Broadcom, which is one that is doing very good right now, AVGO. Texas Instrument, TXN. I believe Texas Instrument just raised their dividend. I think it was last quarter or this next quarter. I think it's going to be raised. So that's definitely good news for us SCHD holders also. KO, Coca-Cola, one of my favorite holdings that I have in my portfolio. So I own it in SCHD. And I own it as a single stock in my taxable portfolio. So I own it pretty much in my brokerage 2 times and in my Roth IRA. And then Cisco Systems, CSCO is the ticker symbol. So as you guys can see, sector-wise, industrial takes 18%, healthcare 15%, financials 14%, consumer staples 13%. Information technology is only 12%, and that's what a lot of people say. That's the reason why SCHD is down, which I'm okay with, because then that gives me more opportunity to buy more at a cheaper price. Because I'm planning on holding SCHD forever. This is one that I'm gonna pass down to my kids, hopefully, if everything goes well in the future with SCHD, and it never goes anywhere. So it's one that I am planning on passing down. Energy is 9%, consumer discretionary 8%, communication services 4%, materials 3%, and utilities is only 0.31%. So let's go to, I have it right here open in Seeking Alpha. As you guys can see, year to date is down 8.26%. So right now it is $69. Every time it went down around the $70, $69 on these times, I was definitely adding more than the $25. So tomorrow I do want to buy more than the $25 that I usually buy every week. So that's my plan right now. I'll definitely show you guys on Sunday. So please don't forget, on the video that I'll post on Sunday, I'll be explaining or giving an update on my weekly buys. So as you guys can see here, that dividend yield is actually at 3.77% right now. So that's definitely a very, very good yield right there. And the 52-week range, as you guys can see here, is definitely closer to the lows. And the 52-week low is $65.96. That's definitely, if it goes back down to $65, I don't think I'll be buying any other stock. If it goes down there, like for example, if it on a Friday it goes down to $65, I think my whole deposit I'm putting in an SCHD. I don't think I'm buying anything else. Would you do the same? What do you think, guys? Would you make the same decision as I do? Do you own SCHD? I'm really curious. But as you guys can see here, this is one of the things that everyone loves about SCHD, and it's the 5-year growth CAGR of 13.69%. So a double-digit dividend growth and 11 years of growth. So that's something that everyone loves. And then when they see this chart right here of the dividend growth from 2012 of, as you guys can see here, 81 cents a year per share to 90 cents, $1.05, $1.15, $1.26, $1.35, $1.44, $1.72, $2.03, $2.25, and then in 2022, $2.56. So if you would have bought in 2012 or 2011, you will be making bank right now. You definitely will be making a whole lot of money in passive income just for doing nothing, just for putting some money into this ETF and just let it roll. That dividend snowball effect. So definitely, this is my favorite. This is not financial advice, guys. You always got to do your research. That's why I don't do a very, very deep research. So you guys can also do some research. Don't take my word for it. You go do your research and see if you like some of the stocks that I mentioned in this in my video and in my channels. So, and I really, really appreciate all the support that you guys have been giving me on this channel. Also, I never thought I would get as much support as I have been getting as of lately, guys. All right, so now that we review SCHD, I have so many of them. Definitely Realty Income. I'll be buying some more tomorrow. But Coca-Cola is also one. $52 it closed today. Can you guys believe that? Like at $52, I'm opening it right here in Seeking Alpha. I'm not affiliated with it, but look at this. It's down year to date 16.79%. I wonder when was the last day that it was the last time that it was at $52. So in October 2022, definitely didn't hit that. So it looks like if we keep going, it looks like it was right here, somewhere here in September of 2021. So you'll be picking it up right now. If you buy Coca-Cola right now, ticker symbol KO, so you guys can look into it. You'll be buying it at 2021 prices, pretty much, from the year 2021. So definitely I am going to buy tomorrow. I'm very, very excited about it. So this is definitely a stock that I want to build, and I am planning on holding for a very, very long time. Year to date is down 16.79%, but if you look at the 5-year, it's up 14% right now. So this is a stock that I definitely want to own. It's a Warren Buffett favorite stock that he has owned since like the 80s, I think it was, early 90s. It was the last time that he bought some. So as you guys can see here, those dividends, this is my favorite part always, is those dividend payments, and that dividend yield is at 3.34% right now, which is great. That payout ratio, it is a little bit getting high at 69.23%, but they have been growing that dividend for 60 years. 60 years. And that 5-year growth CAGR is at 3.40%, which is not that much, but it still grows. It seems very reliable. Well, it has been very reliable for 60 years. that it has been growing that dividend. And I'm gonna be honest with you. Do you guys see Coca-Cola going away anytime soon? You know, there's just Coca-Cola is not going anywhere. It's just everywhere. You go to, I think McDonald's have it. So many other restaurants have it. Um, I think what is it? Taco Bell, I think have it. Burger King, Wendy's, Chili's, Chick-fil-A also have it. One of my favorite restaurants, actually. You know, that's one company. Do you have a company that is not in the stock market? That's actually a question that I should post. Do you have a company that is not in the stock market that you would love to have in the stock market that you can invest in? Mine, it has to be Chick-fil-A. That will be the only fast food that I'll definitely, other than Starbucks, that I will invest in. Seriously. Is definitely one company that I really would love to have in the stock market as a public investment. As you guys can see here, just my whole portfolio is red right now, but I am still active. I am not down. I am not selling. I am not going to into panic mode right now. I am into happy buy. So what are you guys doing right now? Are you guys holding? Are you guys just not buying anything right now? Or are you guys the same as me, just buying anything that you own that is at a better valuation right now or at a better price? Whatever term you want to use. So right now, those are definitely some of the stocks that I want to buy. Another one is Vici. Definitely, this is one that I really want to build. As you guys can see here, year to date is down 10.83%. Vici has a market cap of $28.73 billion. And if we go down that dividend growth, it looks awesome. As you guys can see here, it started like around 2017. That was inception. But as you guys can see here, $1 to $1.17 per a year per share, to $1.26 to $1.38, and 2022 $1.50. And this stock right here, this is a real estate company. So the dividend yield is a 5.86% if you buy it right now. The 5-year CAGR is 17.42%. That's definitely a whole lot of growth. So years of growth, 4 years, pretty much what it has been out right now. So this next payout date on October 5th, I'll definitely be getting some. Actually, I got some today, and I didn't even check my portfolio. I actually got paid by Vici today, so I definitely gotta update that. I did not go into my Fidelity account and see how much I got paid. I'm definitely slacking on there, but I do have the drip on, so it definitely picked up some more Vici right now. It's probably, let me take a look because I have an estimate of how much I was gonna get paid here. So I probably got paid, let's just highlight it very quickly. So the estimated dividend, it should have been around $2 that I got paid. So that is awesome. Getting another $2 just for doing nothing, just by owning this stock and putting some money into that stock. That's definitely a great feeling right there. All right, so all right, everyone, I think this is it for me. I'll definitely post another video on Sunday of my weekly buys, and I'll definitely be updating this my portfolio. I work Saturday, so while I'm working, since I am on call, I'll be updating my portfolio while I have some downtime. So, and I'll definitely be adding my my weekly buys in everything that I'm gonna be buying tomorrow. So I'm gonna see what I'll do. I'll probably put some more money into my brokerage account. I might throw like an extra $20 or something to my Roth. So that will take away a little bit from my brokerage, but that's the plan as of right now. As you guys know, I'm a DCA investor, dollar cost average. So what I do is I buy $10, $20, whatever I can put in the stock market, I put, and then I start buying it into it. And as you guys can see, to me, it has been working. I don't know, what's your opinion in it or your strategy. You can definitely let me know in the comment section. I like talking with you guys. One person that I did wanted to reply to a comment, and somehow it came out as an error, and I could not find the comment. It was from Steven Atkinson. So he was talking to me about SCHD. I tried replying back to your comment, but I did not. I could not pretty much find it anymore. So I don't know what happened to it, but definitely wanted to reply back. So he was the one that pretty much got me into making this video today with the SCHD. I am replying to other comments, so I'll probably be giving you guys some shout outs on Sunday once I take some screenshots and stuff, and so I don't forget them. All right, guys, so please let me know in the comment section. Did you pick up anything today? Are you picking up anything tomorrow? I know the market is still down right now. A lot of stocks are on sale at very good prices. So please let me know. All right, guys, I'm not going to take any longer. So please take care and have a good day. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Also seek professional advice if you want to invest in the stock market. Thank you.